from Youth Campus Ministry. On this video, we will learn about what is Youth Campus Ministry and we will learn about what its true meaning to the youths.
We are a group of students who wants to make new friends and grow together in our faith. We study God's words and support each other in our journey.
A love who can be real and honest with each other in our Bible studies.
Yeah, it's like a safe place to explore our faith and questions.
We have some awesome activities and events planned, from retreats to camps. Our goal is to bring us closer to God and to bring each one of us together. And by making us a remarkable role to our Yes?
I'm so grateful for our service project. It's a great way to give back and serve others.
In our game site are so much fun. We get to relax and have fun together.
I've never felt accepted and loved in a group before. YCM feels like
Yeah, we've got each other's backs no matter what.
at YCM, you find a community of friends where everybody cares about each other and want to make a difference. We support and love each other and we're looking for ways to grow together.
Want to join us? Sign up on our website or follow us on social media to stay updated on our events. Be part of our community. We'd love to have you guys join us.
Come join us. We are waiting for you.
So, hello again. I am Hitman Channel Paeste, the President of Youth Campus Ministry. Now, I'm gonna show you what are the three basic initiatives of the Youth Campus Ministry. No? One of them is Mass. Mass is very important because it is the highest intensity of prayer. Now, the second is BEC gathering, which is we're gonna do in probably next Wednesday, probably on September 24. Yes, September 24, yes. And the third is BEC Rosary. BEC Rosary happens in the CNHS Grotto, which is near the principal's office. So, katong gusto mag-rosary at lang ulit to ka Ma'am Mary. She is willing to hear on your prayers. So, I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Dagan mo, dagan!